when you're struggling with seasonal stress and you go and you look for your dog and she looks like this and she's been just lying around all day. Right, Zoe? All day you've been lying around. No motivation for me to get up. Stretch, stretch. Okay. Are you up now? You awake now. It is now after 1 p.m. She has been sleeping and lying around all day. All day. Right, Zoe? All day. Yes, another stretch. All day. You're supposed to motivate me in this season. Right, Zoe? You're supposed to motivate me.